In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable force dark mode. So if you are wanting to enable this, what you can do is simply head over to your settings. Once you open up settings, you will need to scroll down until you find developer options. If you haven't got developer options enabled already, there will be a link in the description to a video I have done previously on how you can get developer options. So head over to that video, watch that video and come back to this video to see how to do it. So once you have developer options enabled, all you simply need to do is click on developer options, and then you'll need to scroll down until you see force dark mode, which is quite far down in the developer options settings. So just keep scrolling down, and as you can see here, there is an option now for force dark mode, and under that what it does say is force apps to use dark mode even if not fully supported. So what this means is if there is an app and they don't optimize for dark mode, if you have this on, it will try and use dark mode on that app without it being optimized. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.